Welcome to Faris Academy's Python programming series. In this journey, you'll go from absolute beginner to confident Python programmer. Each episode focuses on one essential topic, packed with real examples and practical insights. Whether you're learning for school, career, or just curiosity, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Data Structures section. Python provides built-in structures that let you organize and manipulate data efficiently, such as lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Lists are ordered collections that can be changed. You can store any type of data and access items by their index. For example, a list of fruits can be created and printed using square brackets. Tuples are similar to lists, but immutable, meaning they cannot be changed. They are faster and are ideal for storing fixed data like coordinates or constants. Sets are unordered collections of unique items. They are great for removing duplicates from data and for performing mathematical set operations like union and intersection. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. They allow fast lookups using unique keys. For example, a student's name and age can be stored and accessed quickly. Choosing the right structure. Use lists when you need order and flexibility. Choose tuples when your data is fixed. Use sets for uniqueness, and dictionaries when you want to label your data with keys. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Faris Academy and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.